Hello everyone, how to Toots back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel videos from PC and laptop. So you have to go youtube.com. So I'm just going to open youtube.com, and after that you can see the option your profile icon right top corner on your screen. Simply click on that, and after that click here view your channel. Okay, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you will see the option customize channel. Simply click on that, and then you can see the option content. Okay, so it's your video. So if you want to delete a specific video or more than one video, then you have to check here. You can see the box. Simply click here. Simply click here. You can choose like if you want to delete more videos, then you have to mark it, and after that you will see here how many video you selected. One selected, it means I selected one. And after that click here more action. Okay, in the down arrow, simply click here, and you can see delete forever. So once you click delete forever, then this video will be deleted permanently. You will not able to restore that video again. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.